Ladies and gents, welcome back guys to the GameStop trade update. Today I have something very important to discuss here, and I'm gonna make this nice and easy because the road for GameStop is going to be nice and easy. By the way, thank you very much to all the panic sellers yesterday. We ended up getting GameStop even cheaper, and I ended up doubling the position I already have. I just couldn't say no. 17,500 shares is the current position at $26. Okay, and you can see my P&L there. Okay, so this is the current position. Let's talk about GameStop and the annual general meeting. Everybody was expecting something to be said. I expected nothing, by the way, but it would have been nice to get something. And people were expecting something to do with what they're going to do with their cash pile. But they gave us something even better. Something that I think every value investor is going to be looking for if they're looking at GameStop as an opportunity. And that is what they're going to do if they don't use the cash. And basically what they said is we're going to shrink our stores even more. That is great. And I just posted an article on Patreon discussing why this is great, and I want you guys to go have a look. It's public, it's free, you can just read it, okay? And basically them shrinking means they're gonna cut costs even more. They have $4 billion in the bank, earn interest or a treasury yield or a money fund. While shrinking, you can turn a profit just on the interest you receive on the $4 billion in the bank. You don't have to use it while shrinking. So when you do that and you're finally break even or profitable on your stores and you got rid of the bad business, now you can go on the offensive and use those billions to acquire and grow. First, you have to look after the fundamentals, make sure they're not going to cost you money. And this is great that they said, you know what, we're going to continuously shrink. Because what it means is they're not going to tap into the billions and just throw money at a failing business. This is what you expect from a CEO. This is what I wanted to see. Matter of fact, this is what everybody else who's invested in GameStop wants to see. Of course, not the noobs who just got into it because of Roaring Kitty. By the way, we picked this stock when it was $17 a few weeks ago, if you followed the Patreon. And we were here, $16. And then he showed up here. And you have to understand, I went in this because I seen the opportunity. This was a business that's coming out of a hole. A business that's coming out of a hole is going to see a lot of volatility and momentum, regardless of who's hyping it up. It's just going to happen automatically. So this is a business that's going to see more volatility to the upside. Now, when? Well, I don't decide when. All I decide is this a good business and is this worth investing in? And of course, after looking at it, we know there is $4 billion cash and $8 billion market cap. So this company has half of its market cap in cash. That's unheard of, right? It's unheard of, guys. So it's just crazy. Now imagine they go and acquire an acquisition. That's another thing. I won't discuss this. But all I'm here telling you guys, I just wanted to update you with my position, of course. I didn't want to say anything. There's nothing to say. I don't want to hype you up. All I wanted to do is tell you, well, I've updated my position. I've added more. And my average is this and that. There's going to be more momentum to the upside. Maybe you get momentum to the downside first. I don't know. Maybe you get this to $21 and then back up. Okay, that's a possibility. I don't know, but all I know is I'm not gonna go, or this business is not gonna go bankrupt or get delisted, and that fear is now long gone with the $4 billion. And the acquisition thing is going to happen eventually, guys. This is not AMC, by the way. This is not a meme stock anymore. Okay, you just have to be, I know a lot of people struggle with maintaining confidence when the price is down. They're usually confident when things are pointing up, and they lack confidence when it's pointing down. My suggestion to you guys is not to actually watch the prices, guys. Don't watch it. Just go on about your business. Enjoy the summer. And my first trade ever when I entered the markets, you know, I entered a trade and I went on a holiday to Morocco and enjoyed my time there for a week. And I came back and I looked at my phone. American Airlines, back when American Airlines was at $30, $40, netted me 500 euros. And I was like, wow, this is great. you know. But in the meantime, I wasn't thinking about it, you know. I think it's only when you stop thinking about something that it starts working out. And I don't know, maybe that's just a conspiracy theory, but this is what you have to do, is give this stock some time, guys. Give the market time, okay? And I think we're going to see more upside than downside going forward for this stock. This is a gaming stock. It's a gaming stock with billions in the bank, and they can go ahead and start sending out headlines. It's guaranteed the headlines will come. Like, there's more upside now than downside for this company. So there will be positivities shared in the future. So even if we see downside, meantime, in this stock price, we know it's going to be chased by upside eventually. It's okay, so it's like almost guaranteed in a way. But the AGM was positive in my opinion. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Money's not being wasted on a failing business, more shrinkage, consolidation, and then go on the offensive. And that's what we expect. Appreciate you for watching, guys. Smash that like button. Share this with people who are scared right now, for chat forums and whatnot. But I don't think we're going to need them anyways, because the big money's coming. Hedge funds and whatnot. Thank you very much for watching. And follow the Patreon, like I said, so you don't miss these articles that I post. And I'll see you guys next time as always. Bye.